Mastering AWA, Strategies to Excel. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA, section of the GMAT. This section can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can score high. Let's get started and remember to pay close attention to the highlighted tips. Before diving into strategies, it's crucial to understand the task at hand. In the AWA section, you'll be presented with an argument and your task is to critique it. It's not about whether you agree or disagree with the argument, but about how well you can analyze its reasoning and present your critique in a structured, coherent manner. Time is of the essence in the AWA section. Here are some tips. Allocate 5 minutes at the start for planning your essay. Jot down the main points you want to cover. Spend around 20 minutes writing the essay. Reserve the last 5 minutes for revising and proofreading. Start by paraphrasing the argument or the main idea. This sets the context for your critique. Then, state that the argument has some merits but also some flaws. This clear stance will pave the way for a structured essay. For the body. 1. Identify a flaw or limitation in the argument. 2. Explain why this is a flaw. 3. Provide an example or further reasoning to drive your point home. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. 2 to 3 well-analyzed flaws are better than listing 5 without proper analysis. Summarize the main points you've discussed. Reiterate that while the argument has some valid points, it falls short in certain areas. A balanced conclusion is key. 1. Practice. The more you write, the more comfortable you'll get. 2. Feedback is golden. Have someone review your essays to identify areas of improvement. 3. Vary your sentence structures and vocabulary to showcase your language skills. And there you have it. With these strategies in mind, you're well on your way to conquering the AWA section of the GMAT. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep refining your skills, and you'll see improvement in no time. Happy studying, and hope this video was helpful.